Good day guys, and welcome back to this channel, Janat Graphics. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, today I'm going to show you how to change the image or the color of a stock image with Pixellab. Okay, so you might probably want to make a design, right? But the image you've downloaded has a color which will not match with the colors you want to use in the designing. So as you can see in the screen, on the screen, sorry, the original image color or the original dress color of the guy you can see is yellow. But I was able to use Pixellab to change the color to blue. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do this. Okay, and without wasting much of our time, kindly consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video, especially if today is your first time visiting this channel. Okay, so I wouldn't want to waste much of our time. Let's just jump and start with it. Let's go. All right, so if you open your Pixellab, make sure you change the background to white. Okay, make sure you change your background to white. Then you can consider reshaping your image background also to, or your image size to that of thumbnail. Okay, so let's just import our image from gallery. Okay, so when you import your image from your gallery, okay, this is it. So what you have to do is that you copy this image. Okay, so copy this image. All right, then before that, put this in the middle or center it. Okay, put it in the middle. All right, so the image you've copied to must be directly on it, so it should also be on the middle or in the middle. Okay, then you can check here, then go to the layers, lock the first one and select the one on top. So the one on top has been selected. Now what you have to do is to go to this tool, eraser. Okay, yes, when you go to eraser, you can consider zooming in. Okay, so that you'll be clear, because we are just going to clean the head. We are going to erase the head off. Okay, so you can click here, then you either increase your erase button or cleaning tool depending on how you want it to be. So you start cleaning the head, off. Do it gradually, okay, patiently, else you end up cleaning the shirt off. But it's only the head that we want to clean. So you have to take your time when you are dealing with this. Okay, all right, so after this you can check. Okay, then that's where the image with which you clean the head off is still selected. Now what you have to do is to go to these two color filters. Okay, this is color filters. You just click on color filters, then you can see the first two is hue. Okay, so consider increasing or decreasing the color. Okay, and you can see that as you increase and decrease, the colors are being changed. Okay, all right, so we want to change it to blue, right? So this is blue. All right, so this is blue. After this, you just have to check and you've gotten your change color. Okay, so after doing this, you can see that these are two images, separate images. Okay, this is one and this is one, but this one, the one in blue, we've just cleaned off the head. So the head of the one with the yellow shirt color has covered it up or has replaced it. Okay, and so let's center the blue again so it falls on it, right? So this is great. So for you to use this in your work, you have to merge this. Okay, so you come here, you select the two, then you select this two. Okay, down here, so you merge. Okay, now it's considered as one. It's considered as one image. Okay, so you can see from the layers here, it's one. So if you want to use this in your work, you can first of all save this with the save button. You come here and you come to this arrow PNG, then you can select ultra here. Okay, then this will make your image save as PNG. Okay, you go to save, Okay, I just want to show you that. Then it will save your image as png, I mean without a background. After that, you can now import it into your design. All right, so guys, thank you for watching this video. If you consider this video useful and helpful, then consider also subscribing to this channel, sharing and commenting as well. Thank you all for your time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.